Hi guys, in this chapter 1 we will discuss about introduction to MySQL database and also we'll discuss extension of PHP that used to communicate with database MySQL. So this course is about MySQL and this class contain different topics related to MySQL introduction that will be covered in chapter 1. So chapter 1, MySQL database introduction. Introduction to MySQL. There are different types of PHP API options. What is difference between MySQL versus MySQLi? MySQL database used. Companies that used MySQL as database. Setup and installation MySQL database. Website and database. A relation between website and database. Creating a MySQL database, connecting to MySQL database. So these are different topics that will be covered in chapter 1. Don't miss any lecture because you will learn basic information about MySQL database.